Five beautiful species of treepies are found in India. Andaman Treepie is a slender, medium-sized dark bird with a long tail endemic to the Andaman Islands. The face, wings and tail are black, while the underparts and back are reddish-brown. Note the small white patch on the wings. Collared treepie has extensively black face, silver hood and lack of a wing patch which distinguishes them from other treepies in its range. They are found in the Himalayas and northeast of India. Grey treepie, also known as Himalayan treepie, are found in the Himalayan foothills, Indochina border, eastern Ghats and northeast of India. Adults have black face, grey nape, brown back and a long black-tipped grey tail. Rufous Treepie is a long and stiff-tailed bird with primarily rusty brown upperparts and dull orangish underparts found in the entire Indian subcontinent. The head, mantle and neck region are a dull sooty black. The long graduated tail is pale grey with a wide black terminal band. White-bellied treepie is a handsome long-tailed inhabitant of the Western Ghats. Black face and white underparts set them apart from Rufous Treepie.